Hey coffee lovers, today we're diving into the Hario Craft Coffee Maker Pour-Over Coffee Set, Size 02, a perfect starter kit for brewing professional quality coffee right at home or the office. This sleek and modern set includes everything you need to master the art of pour-over coffee, featuring the V6002 coffee dripper, a V6002 coffee server, a handy coffee scoop, and a 40-pack of V6002 disposable paper filters. Designed with a single large hole, the V60 dripper gives you complete control over your pour, allowing you to experiment with different flow rates for light, floral brew or rich, deep taste. Crafted with heat-proof glass and a BPA-free handle, this Japanese design set not only looks great in any kitchen but also ensures a safe and enjoyable brewing experience. With a 700 milliliters capacity, you can easily brew 1 to 4 cups of coffee, making it ideal for both solo coffee enthusiasts and small gatherings. Whether you're new to manual coffee brewing or looking for a thoughtful gift, the Hario Pour-Over Coffee Set is your gateway to a delightful coffee experience. So grab your favorite beans, add some water, and start your journey to the perfect cup of coffee with Hario. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.